My neighbors always ask me how I keep my bathroom smelling so good. The secret lies in this simple formula that I'll show you. The base of our mixture will be bar soap. Just grab one bar and grate it onto a plate. I'm using this specific soap here, but you can use any soap you have at home. This blue soap has the best scent. I always use it for this trick. Once it's grated like this, we'll transfer it to a pan over medium heat. The result will be amazing, and you'll love seeing it at the end of the video. Next, we'll add 150 milliliters of dish soap. You can use whatever you have at home. We'll also add 1 capful of fabric softener. I recommend using concentrated fabric softener. Now, we'll cut a toilet deodorizer into smaller pieces, which is easy to find at any supermarket. To finish, we'll add a liter of water to our formula. What we're creating here is a homemade product, far better and more economical than anything found in stores. Just mix everything well so it combines, and all the elements dissolve. Once it's boiling like this, it's ready. Now we just need to take our product to the refrigerator. And here, to avoid using our usual containers, I reused 2 milk cartons to make our container. Just cut the side and place our product inside. Since it has that thermal lining inside, it'll be easy to remove our homemade soap. I'm sure this formula will be extremely useful for your cleaning routines. It'll make your bathroom smell amazing and clean, cutting down on frequent cleanings throughout the week. Now we let it set until it hardens, and for that, you can place it in the fridge to speed up the process. As you can see, it's very easy to remove our soap from the milk carton. And here we have 2 large bars of soap. We can cut them into smaller pieces. With this, we have enough to last at least a month. As I mentioned, we can save a lot of money each month by making this simple soap with things you likely already have around the house. Just look at how wonderful our soap turned out. Seriously, this is so useful, and you can use it for any type of cleaning around the house. It cleans, shines, and leaves an incredibly wonderful scent. It's a bit strong, which is why I like using it in the bathroom, because it eliminates all odors and bacteria. The way I do it at home is by opening the back lid of the toilet and placing our soap inside. So every time the toilet is flushed, our product goes to work, adding fragrance and eliminating odors. Make this soap at home today, and you'll fall in love with the results. Thank you for watching until the end, and a big hug.